Hi there, or welcome to this week episode of PHP series. I believe it has been blessing big time. Yeah, awesome. So this week, if you remember the last time I was saying we're gonna be talking about life mastery parts of PHP series, the cycle of your life like that. You know, in the previous episode we spoke about how you reconnected yourself. Now I believe you have reconnected yourself, that now you are spirit, you have really introduced yourself. Now you are seeing why you should find your purpose. Now what you want to do now is, now you want to engage that spirit, you want to engage yourself, and that is where life mastery come up. This is where we'll be talking about the alignment of your spirit, of your soul, and your body. Although we won't be doing much about your body, because our society has already told us a lot about that already. But your spirit and soul basically will be saying a lot about it. Alright, so let me start by saying, I said it before, life is a mystery. Now somebody saying I'm beginning to sound like a motivational speaker, but the truth is, that is the truth. We came here without any clue, without any forehand information on how to live this life. That is what makes it a mystery. Now we are getting to unravel the mystery. We started by letting you know you existed first in eternity before you checked in here. Alright, but then let me tell you again, in this episode I'll be giving you a lot of points that you'll be able to relate with. Let me tell you again that when you checked in here into earth, you are, the earth was made for you. You were not made for the earth. Hear me again. The earth was made for you. You were not made for the earth. The earth was part of the things you were told to subdue and take dominion. Remember my last word in the last episode? I was telling you that more was in the mind of the created, man over everything, when you checked in here. So right now, the art, mother heart, like some people call it, is subject to you. And that is one of the mystery of life a lot of people have not gotten yet. A lot of people just say, now I'm already diving to emotional intelligence. A lot of people just say anything. You just say anything. I don't want to say things that they say, but they say negative. This is it. Whenever you say anything, the art does not pick it like a suggestion. The art does not pick it like just a word. The art picks it as a command. I want you to hear this thing very well. Whenever you say a word, the art listens to it and takes it as a command. You think you are just a human. The art sees you as a spirit because you are a spirit. God is a spirit. He created the art. You are spirit. So whenever the art sees you, he sees God. And this is the reality most people have not come into yet. The art sees you as a creator. And so if you are not creating, the art is looking at what is wrong with this fellow. The art sees you as a great fellow because he sees God to be great. So if you are not being great, the art is saying what is wrong with this fellow. But get this point that the art respects you. And get this, the art listens to you. And that is the reason, I don't know if you found out that sometimes when you say you need something, let's say for instance, let's say a phone. Yeah, let's use a device now. Very popular in our generation today. Let's say you want to buy a Samsung S20 Ultra. Alright, I already use Samsung in my head. Okay, let's say you want to buy an iPhone. I want to buy an iPhone 11 Pro Max for instance, and it has been on your heart like, oh, I want to buy this device, iPhone 11 Pro Max from Mo Gadget. I want to buy this device. Now this is it. See, if you've discovered most of the time it is that iPhone 11 Pro Max that you will be seeing. I don't know if you have noticed. When you act your own act now is on something like a desire now. Whenever a lot of things in alignment to that desire will be coming your way. Now, by the time you now change it, that no, I don't want an 11 Pro Max again. I think I'll wait for iPhone 12. You have confused the heart. It's not that the heart cannot produce an iPhone 11 Pro Max or an iPhone 12 for you, but because you have confused the heart, this is it. I want you to get this picture. I wish I can paint it. I pray I'm able to let you see what I want to share. The way it is whenever you say something, the heart is drawing it. Whenever you speak, the heart is trying to create an image of it. Your word, remember that I said you are a spirit. So whatever you say, the heart is taking note, is drawing it. It's not taking as a suggestion, but a command. So it's drawing it. So whenever you now say anything counterfeit again, oh, let's say, okay, I want an 11 Pro Max now. You think, no, I don't want an 11 Pro Max again. I'll wait till November for iPhone 12. Now, the heart needs to play everything it has written regarding iPhone 11 Pro Max and start again. Yeah, you did not get it. And this is what confirms what I saw in my life manual that said a double-minded man will not receive anything. So it aligns that, see, the earth that we are in is made for us. We have dominion over the earth. Is working in our command. We are speaking, it is taking it and is making things to align. And so until you come to that reality that, okay, my words now, I'm diving into emotional mastery again. That your words forms your thoughts. Your thoughts forms your belief. Your beliefs forms your emotion. Your emotion forms your decision, and your decision forms your outcome. As simple as that. So it all still boils down to this your mindset of what do you say? What are you saying? I'm telling you, that is the basis of life, of the mastery of life. What are you saying? Whatever you are saying, the heart is taking note. The heart is drawing it. And so, as a spirit now, coming into the consciousness, you have reconnected yourself. Now you are trying to re-engage yourself with the heart. You've been living on this earth just as a body. So a lot of things has not been able to get done. But right now, you know, I am a spirit. Now, the heart has taken note. Okay, Jude has gotten note that he is a spirit. Now, it is now high time for you to now start taking charge of the heart through your words. That is where the brain of emotional mastery comes before you now come into the alignment of purpose. See, we will do more next week. We will start from here by next week. I'll see you. Thank you.